Alright, so this is the first thing you have to make sure is that you are at this web address. It's the launchpad for WISD. When you are logging in, it has to say Waxahachie ISD up top. And then when you get here, you're going to type Daniel dot or period Castillo. And then for the password, it's 2212223. Okay, just like that. And then you're going to hit just the sign in. Okay, and then when you come in here, it'll just be his Seesaw. Let's see if his Seesaw works. I'm pretty sure it does. Oh, look. Okay, so he is in Ms. Hicks and Ms. Vasquez's class because he started there. So he's going to have to come over here to his classes. All right, so he has some announcements from me here. And then in his activities, right over here in activities, he's got some that he has to do that he hasn't started, that he's going to work on, and he has to finish all of the Monday today, these 4 Mondays. And then once he gets started, if he doesn't finish, it'll say he's in progress, and then when he turns them in, it'll show what he's done also. Okay? So I hope that helps. Let me know if you're still having problems.